Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox in school as an easy guide. First, identify specific educational experiences that align with your learning goals or curriculum. Many creators build interactive lessons, virtual field trips, and subject-specific challenges. This helps transform traditional learning into an immersive and interactive adventure, making complex topics more accessible. By carefully selecting your experiences, you can truly leverage Roblox for effective classroom engagement. To discover relevant educational content, use Roblox's robust search bar. Try typing in specific keywords, such as ancient Rome, geometry puzzle, or coding fundamentals, to find experiences tailored to your learning needs. Always check the experience description and user reviews to gauge its educational value and appropriateness. Many well-regarded educational games are developed by verified creators, providing reliable and high-quality learning opportunities for students. Roblox can be a powerful tool for integrating into class projects and assignments. Imagine designing a virtual ancient city for a history project or building a working model of a complex machine for engineering. Students can conduct simulated chemical reactions in a virtual lab, observing outcomes without actual risk. This hands-on approach helps visualize abstract concepts and fosters a deeper understanding of various subjects, making learning highly collaborative and memorable for everyone involved. Before using Roblox in a school setting, always obtain explicit permission from your teacher or school administrator. It is crucial to ensure that all activities comply with school internet usage policies and safety guidelines, keeping everyone safe. Maintain focus on the educational objectives of the experience, avoiding distractions that might hinder learning. This responsible approach ensures that Roblox remains a valuable and respected educational resource within the classroom environment for all students.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.